Yes, let's talk about XBet magnet. This is their 45 piece. It is a 1.2 inch by 1.2 inch square, just like this little square, and it's a magnet, and it's a thick magnet. Perfect for your pictures, your postcards, your business cards, anything that you want to just have a sticky surface on one side, so you can actually, I could take anything. I've got a little piece of paper right here, and I could literally have that magnet stuck to it. On one side is the sticky, and then the other one, I could literally magnetize it on any metallic surface. Of course, your fridge will do, but as you can see, any metallic surface will do. This magnet is super strong. For bigger or for regular size pictures, I would recommend using 2, and they do recommend using 2. Anything bigger than that, you can actually go to 4 to 6. I mean, you've got 45 of them, and they're easy to just stick out. Look at that. This is ready to go, and it's going to magnetize, like I said, to literally virtually anything. It's awesome. Oh, and one more thing. With these little squares, even if the surface is not metallic or not magnetized, so you can't magnetize anything to it, you can use 2 of those and actually use them together. And this is what I mean by that. So one side is sticky. I'm just going to use this remote for example, obviously. Now it is on the sticky side, so I've got the magnet on one side. And then just like I explained or I showed previously, I've got this little piece of paper with the magnet here. Sticky side on one side and the magnet on the other. And now all I need to do is have them meet, and now it sticks. So really, if it's not for the magnet, even if you just want to have something neat on a wall, you can actually use it on a normal wall. Just use the sticky surface on one side and the magnet on the other, and you're good to go.